Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to add a text and then stroke to the text in Davinci Resolve. First, I have a video in the timeline, and then I'll go to this effects and then select text plus. Add it in the timeline. Okay, so this is a custom text. Now I'll change it to you can change the font, change the color, or anything you want. Now what you need to do is go to this setting tab and then click on number 2 and then enable the red outline. You can see that you can now see that a stroke has been added, but it is red. And you can scroll down and then click on colors and choose the color that you want. I'll go with black, and now you have the stroke. You can change the thickness as you like, opacity, and do whatever you want.